They dummies, they pop like Tigger. The mess gon' make niggas, I'm bigger. And that little bitch is too bitter. I don't fuck around and I hit her. Definitely when I kiss her. And after she leave, we won't miss her. And I'm on the road, how you figure? Cause it was all part of the picture.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Mezzocaleb, and welcome back to another banger video. Today we are at the shop and I have the vet on the lift. So basically, I told you guys in the last video that I'm going to be installing my ZR1 Aero kit. This is a full Aero kit. This is like the complete package that I wanted for the car. The only thing next up is probably a diffuser, but without further ado, let's get straight into it. So if this is your first time watching any of my videos, make sure you guys like, comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe down below. And let's go ahead and get straight into it. This is my 2012 C6 Corvette. For those of you who don't know, hold on, Khalifa's backing out real quick. Let me go ahead and squeeze through here. So we got Jay getting ready to install the pieces. So we have the front lip, we have the wing, we have the side skirts, and we also have some mud flaps. I got them all powder coated gloss black. So if you want to get this kit, I highly recommend you guys do it in gloss black because I want the accents to pop. So and I think I might throw in some tinted taillights in the mix too, to kind of like complete the whole rear end look. And then I got some new badges coming, but that's going to be in another video for those two. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up because this kit is going to be P. And I think the next thing after we install everything is to lower the car just a tad. So you definitely not going to want to miss that. So next video, we're going to show you guys how to lower your C6 Corvette any year for free. Let's do it. Take a real good look at everything while she's bald. Look at that. We're getting ready to take that off because that shit pisses me off and it scrapes and it's ugly as shit. So we're getting ready to get rid of that. Yes sir, she looking too pretty. Too pretty. You gotta clean up the side skirts as well. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get the mud flaps to get a little pokey poke action, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this car is gonna be fire, dude. So I hope you guys are really enjoying this. But let me show you a little bit about the shop. So this is the mechanic section right here. And if we go further in, you guys can see that this shop does everything. So they do suspension work, wheels and tires, powder coating, mechanic work. He's the lead tech. Khalifa, say what's goody. Yes, sir. He said he's about to do a clutch right now. Okay, bet. You got clutch, flywheel, rear main seal, all that good stuff. Yes, sir. I think you said the only thing you were waiting on, were you waiting on the slave cylinder or no? Yeah, you waiting on that part is coming in today? All right, bet. Tomorrow? All right, bet. So yeah, we got everything here. We got John right there. And then this is a showroom where everyone is wrapping. We got Lexus, Jeep, another Lexus and Audi, and we got Boss Man right here. What is Boss Man doing? You watching your video? You watching yourself?
Hold on, man, let me explain. I'm watching myself, but I'm watching myself.
It's been a while since my channel has seen the shop,
Yeah.
so let's show them a little bit what's going on in here.
So here we are wrapping the Jeep. From here you can't tell, but look.
Y'all doing door jams, all lime green.
Yep. He got a metal bumper in the front. We're putting on this one, wrapping the door canals on it right now. So when he's wrapping the door and door handles, you got Adam wrapping the bumper so we can just attack the car at once.
Yeah, man.
On the RSQ8, he had it wrapped a satin dark gray. Then he called me in the middle of it to change the color. So now we ordered satin yellow for him, and then this Crumbly is leaving today.
Okay, bet.
For Denali getting ready right now, and a couple of all the other cars, and then Caleb picked today to put his parts in. But we're not busy.
Nah, y'all stay busy.
You know we got love for you, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, the channel loves you, man. All my followers, fans, subscribers, everybody, they love your pages on TikTok. They love it on YouTube. They love everything, dude.
Man, give me a follow, man. If you need something, man, hit me up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, so look, the front lip has been installed. Man, yeah, she looking good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. That boy Jay goes. Jay got it right. Yes, sir. All right, on to the side skirts and let's get it. All right, y'all, so here we go. Here's the final look. The side skirts are in. We had a pretty busy day. I got the mud flaps in. We got the wing in. Look at that. Oh, she looks nasty. Look at that. Ooh. This bitch bad. Let's fucking go. I will see you guys on the way home. Let's go. The man, the myth, the legend. Yes, sir. Look at that shit, boy. Huh? Who do it like deviate?
Come on, baby. If you cannot imitate, you must deviate.
Yes, sir. This bitch hard, no cap. Once again, Geraldo comes through again for the build.
Looks clean, man. Looks good.
Doesn't look stock anymore, huh? You remember when I first bought the car, you was like, so stock.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Doesn't look stock anymore. Yep.
Oh, hey, man, I didn't mean what I said, making fun of your car about the headlights looking like Lightning McQueen.
Hey, man, chill about that. Chill about that. They don't know about. They ain't hear that part. But yeah, go ahead, make sure you guys check out his channel, DVI Autosport. Look at that. Go ahead, screenshot that, take a picture, write it down. I don't give a fuck. There you go. DVI Autosport. Check him out on YouTube. This man deals with a lifelong worth of problems. I don't know.
Check out today's video, man. We post it tomorrow. That's all I gotta say.
Yes, sir. I'll post this like after you post yours, so that way when I post this.
What you doing next?
Full bolt on.
Full bolt on?
Yep. And after that, tune. And then I'll be rolling good.
What about more headlights?
You gonna buy them for me? You gonna buy it? All right then.
Your headlights are badass. I'm joking. The car clean. I'm giving them a hard time.
Ooh, and we made it back to the cribbo, but it unfortunately rained and made the car dirty. Like, look at that. Let me get real close. Yeah, so you can see, but from far back, she looking too good. Look at that, man. This changed the whole freaking look, and it looks incredible. Thank you guys again at my job, DVA Autosport. You guys know where to find them in Houston, Texas. I'll tag them down below for sure. They do all work: wheels and tires, custom work, wraps, suspension, insurance claim, collision work, body work, you name it. Painted calipers, lifting trucks, dropping trucks. Come on, man. And of course, Aero kits on C6s. Yes, sir. But dude, like, real talk, like, I know you guys wanted to see the car with some goodies. I've been holding off on this Aero kit for a while, but man, look at that. Like, the black accents just pop. Like, the front lip makes it look a lot more aggressive. The side skirts makes it appear lower. I just got to lower the car just a tad, and I'm going to show you guys in a couple videos later on how we do that. And then look at the wing. Look at the wing. Look, and it kind of looks like a little duck bill on the side. Like, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, you see that? Who's that? That's Mezzo. Yeah. And then I put the little mud flaps right here, just so you can kind of hide the wheel a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It protects the body, protects the hip. You see the hip not dirty. Hip not dirty at all. Why is that? Because I got a mud flap. But yeah, I put the mud flaps in the front and the rear, so it kind of protects it from all that dirt that kind of gets kicked up with the rocks and all of that fucking nasty stuff. But for the most part, I'm enjoying the whip so much. And man, like, now I feel comfortable into taking it out to different car meets, because a lot of people always got stuff to say. Oh man, you should get a side skirt. Oh man, you should get a lift. You should get a wing. Well, guess what? I got all three of it, bitch. So now you can just keep watching and like this video so I can get more stuff for the car. Because, you know, now that we got the car looking like this, no reason to be stock anymore. So we're gonna start our performance mods. So I would definitely touch on that in another video. I keep putting that off to the side because I really don't want nobody to know my build. Can't tell you guys where I'm getting tuned, because, you know what I'm saying, Houston is full of a whole bunch of let's just say copycats. So they like to do the same shit, and, you know, I just want to be different. You know what I'm saying? If I hide it for a little bit, kind of gap some people and do what I got to do, looking good while I'm doing it, you know, everybody have, you know, minimal to say. which is why I'm going to conclude this video. I hope you guys did enjoy the install. I think the next thing, which everybody says I should do, the Morimoto headlights. Yes, I know I need a C7 style Morimoto headlights, but I'm not gonna lie, they kind of expensive. John, like $1,500. So I can go intake, headers, tune, and maybe something else, maybe cam it. maybe even put the $1,500 towards something else. But headlights, I don't know about that one. We'll see. Maybe I'll get some new lenses for the headlight, cook them, and make it look all brand new, fresh and stuff. But $1,500 for some headlights? Somebody donate me some headlights, because Mezzo needs to shine, you know what I'm saying? So, without further ado, if you guys like this video, we'll see how the rest of the day goes. But if not, I'll see you next one. Let's go.